Hey there, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can build a complete PHP ERP system, okay, using Claude Code, and how you can save your project. So I'm going to show you all the process here step by step. At first I will show you how you can create the project, and then I will show you how you can actually sell your project, okay, so that you can earn money. First of all, here you can see currently I am inside chatgpt.com, and here I have asked for a prompt. You can see I have mentioned here that I want to build a PHP ERP system. So give me a professional prompt, and I mentioned what I want for the front end and what for the backend and what as the database. And then I asked for a prompt. Here you can see this is the prompt. Now what you have to do, you have to actually go through this prompt, and if you need to change anything specific thing, you can actually change and regenerate it. I have to actually go for the Claude Code. So we can use Claude in our PC in three different ways. Either we can use their desktop app, or maybe a terminal, or maybe with an extension. Okay, so in this video I'm going to follow the extension one. So let's go for this. So here I'm going to use Visual Studio Code. In your case you may go with Google Integrity IDE also. I'm going to go with the Visual Studio Code, and here you can see this is the interface. I already have this. If you don't have, you can install it, very simple. And from here you can go to this option extension and search for this Claude Code for VS Code. Okay, and remember this is from mchotic.com, so it's official. You don't have to worry about anything. And now when you install this, there you will find an icon for the chat, and also here in the left side under the extension you can find it. So if you want to continue this project, you have to buy pro version minimum, okay, at least pro version. So after that you have to log in through your account. Okay, so I have created my account through Gmail, and then I have logged in here. Now there you can see you have a new session. So basically I'm going to add here a folder, and then I'm going to create a new session, so that this session will be for this specific folder. We have we'll add here, and let's say if I remove the project, then from here the session will also gone. When I re-add the project, I can actually get back the session. So what it will help, it will actually keep all the records. Where actually we can actually track the project basically. Okay, so let's do this. As it is a PHP project, we need to have the server, and here I have XAMPP installed in my PC. Let me open this XAMPP control panel. In your case, if you don't have any XAMPP installed in your PC, you have to actually go for the Apache friends. So you can type XAMPP and search it on the browser, and then you'll find www.apachefriends.org. Go to that link. Now we have here the option. You can see we are in the download page. According to your operating system, you can download this. So if you're from Windows, go with this one, okay, latest version. Install this. That's it. Then you will get here XAMPP control panel like this. From here you have to open Apache. You have to start Apache and MySQL. Okay, and you can see we got here 4 segments they are running. Now if I go for this PC, I have 2 drive here. Basically I have installed it in C drive. No matter in which drive you have installed it, there will be a folder called XAMPP. You can see XAMPP. So you have to go inside the folder XAMPP, and you have to keep your project under this folder. Okay, and inside this htdocs folder, go inside of it. Here you can see I have here 2 folder, previous project you can see, and here I'm going to create a new folder, and this folder will work as a project. Okay, so I'll say ERP-PHP. Okay, so this is my project. Now I'm going to actually add this project inside VS Code. I will drag and drop it here. Okay, that's it. I'll say don't save. Fine. Now here I will remove the rights chat option, because I have logged in here with my GitHub account. That's why actually it's showing this trouble chat GitHub Copilot here. It is not dying, so it's okay. Now our main thing here, you can see we are inside ERP PHP, right? So what we have to do here is we have to go for the Claude chat option. Now if I click here new session, here you can see this new session is added for this specific project. Okay, and this is unique. If you add here one more project, then there will be another session for that project. Okay, that's it guys. Now here you can see we have different mode here. If I click here, manual, edit automatically, plain. So maybe if you are for the first time, then you will get here only 3 items. Okay, and if you choose the plan, and then if you give the prompt here, and When it will actually go for the project creation, it will ask for some permission, and then if you give all the permission, then you get here another mode that is called auto. So what will auto mode or automatic mode help you? Like it will actually install all the necessary things by itself. If it think that it need to install, okay, then it will actually go for it. You don't have to give your permission. It will not ask for any permission. That's the thing. So now we have actually generated from here, and I have copied from here. Let's go back here the VS Code and paste it here. Pasted successfully, right? Now we'll click here this up arrow sign, and now boom, here you can see our project is totally done. I mean, sorry, it's not done yet, but yeah, now you can see this AI basically start to create the project. Now I will actually fast forward the video, and when the project will be done, I will back and I show you the project output. And after that, I will show you how you can actually sell your project. Let's say you made a project here, and now how you can actually sell your project. Okay, now I'm going to fast forward the video, and when the project will be done, I'll be back. So guys, it completed the whole project for us. You can see the project is complete, and here we have some information. You can see for the admin we have admin, then admin 1 2 3. So we are going to now go for the admin. When admin at 1 2 3, if I go for the sign in, you can see you have here enterprise ATB. Okay, so it's a fully functional site. You can see now we can go for the customer, we can add customer, we can export it also. I mean, it's working now. I will show you how you can sell this website. Let's say your website is now okay. Now in your case, before selling, yes sir, you want to sell this project, so make sure you have your every single option is working, okay, and there is no conditional or logical error, and I mean there is no error basically. So you have to make sure that there is no error. Now let's go for the sale. So for the sale, you have to actually go for the Patreon. Okay, this is called EATRP and patreon.com. Go there and create your account. Here you can see we have here web technology account. Here we uploaded some project, you can see. Okay, so and we have set price here. Now if you want to create the whole profile, if you don't know how to do this, just let me know in the comment section so that we can make another video for this. For now, let's go for the create here, and we are going to add as a product. Okay, so let's do for the product, and here you can see here we have to give the title. So I will say here that let's say Laravel, sorry, it's a PHP project, right? So I say PHP ERP system. Okay, and make it, I mean, you can actually give here a profile, the title, and then you have to actually go for the pinned access option. Okay, and here you can see sell this post. Now here we are going to give it a price. So let's go with the minimum price. Let's say $7. Okay, so we'll actually click here $7, and then now let's go for the more option, and here we don't have to change anything. Okay, now here we have to actually give a custom image, I mean as a thumbnail. Let's say if you think about YouTube, and in YouTube videos we have a thumbnail, right? So here you have to give a thumbnail. So I'll put here customize, and I will add here the image. You are going to upload this image, and let's go for the download, and then this one right there. So we'll uncheck it, okay, because otherwise it will be blurred, you can see. So here you can see we are going to actually uncheck it. Now you're going to say save, and you can see saving, saved. So now here we have to give all the information about our project. So you just have to say that okay, this project is all about this, and these are the credentials. If we go for the files, you can see that we have a database. So you have to mention that in the database folder we have schema file, okay, so that you can actually create a database only and you can input the table. So and then you can give the initial credential like this, to mention all of them here, and then you have to actually add the project. So to add the project, you have to actually go for this attachment action. Basically you have to actually zip your file at first. So here we're going to go for the file destination, I mean our project destination, inside htdocs, and then here is the file file. So we are going to right click on it, and then we're going to compress to zip file, okay, within it. And here you can see we got here ERP zip file. Now we'll actually upload this file. So we can actually grab it from here and then click it in the download so that we can submit it easily. Nice, fine. Now we'll actually click here in the attachment, and here we end this setting content. Now you can see uploading. It takes some time, and we can actually preview the post. We can click here, and like you can see this is the site. And if someone actually join as a subscriber, or maybe want to buy this, if they can actually buy it. Okay, so done. Now here I have to actually add some description here, and I have shown you how you can actually add all the description of the stuffs, and then you have to just click here publish, and then it will be published. Then if anyone actually buy this project, then you can actually get money. Okay, that's it. So this is the third way to make money by selling your project online. Okay guys, I've shown you how you can create the project using Claude Code, and how you can actually sell your project. That's it guys, thank you so much for watching this video.